Chapter 17. Kim Wilde. A year after my uncle died, the borders were reopened. My parents ran to get passports. Look at the last page. It is strictly forbidden to travel in occupied Palestine with this document. My God, just look at me in this picture, with the scarf on my head. Can I see? She sure didn't look very happy. In fact, she was unrecognizable. As soon as I get my passport, we'll go on a big trip. Well, actually, we want to spend some time together, just the two of us, for a few days. Where? Turkey. Bah, Turkey's for the birds. Only uncool people go to Turkey. If you're taking a trip, why not go to Europe or the United States? If you want us to bring you back some presents, just ask. What can you bring me back from Turkey? Shish kebabs? Listen, Margie, where do you think all the hip stuff you like comes from? During the war, there were no imports from the West. A denim jacket, chocolate, a poster, no, 2 posters, one of Kim Wilde and one of Iron Maiden. Iron Maiden? Those 4 brutes? They're not brutes. I really like what they do. You like that? I love it. See, Mom? First thing after they got to Istanbul, they went to buy the posters. I'm glad we found just what she wanted. Absolutely. It's so hard for kids in Iran, the poor things. Tell me the truth. You really like Iron Maiden? Absolutely. You hypocrite. I wonder how we're going to get them past customs. I've been wondering myself. They're enormous. As soon as they were in the hotel, they set to finding a way. We could fold them and hide them in the lining of the suitcase. Fold them? That will leave marks. She'll be disappointed. We could just carry them under our arms and act natural. Under our arms? Come on. And then my mother had a great idea. Take off your coat. Hey, what are you doing? Wait, you'll see. She tore out the lining. Then she placed the 2 posters behind it and then sewed it back in. You sure I look normal? You just look like you're wearing shoulder pads. It's stylish. Arriving at Tehran's Mehrabad airport. I'm walking like Frankenstein. No, you're not. You look completely natural. Place your bags on the table. Stay calm. So, what have you got with you? Alcohol? Playing cards? Music? Film? Chess set? Magazines? Nothing, just personal affairs. You're sure you've got nothing illegal? Nope. No. You realize that if I find anything illegal, I'll... Sir, please. Do we really look like smugglers? All right, take your luggage and go. Mom, Dad. Back home. Here, this is for you, Nike's latest model. And this. Wow, Michael Jackson. And here's your denim jacket. Cool. What about my posters? Ebby, bring your coat. Be careful. I wanted posters, not photos. You just wait. Crack. Far out. Dad, you're a genius. Thank your mother. It was her idea. Thank you, Mom. So, how was Turkey? Great. It was a little cold, but it was nice. I love Turkey. I put my posters up in my room. I put my 1983 Nikes on, and my denim jacket with the Michael Jackson button, and of course, my headscarf. So, what do you think? Nice, very cute. Okay, I'm going out. Where? To buy some tapes. Where? Not far on Gandhi Avenue. Be back in an hour. I'll be back in 2 hours. For an Iranian mother, my mom was very permissive. I only knew 2 or 3 other girls who could go out alone at 13. For a year now, the food shortage had been resolved by the growth of the black market. However, finding tapes was a little more complicated on Gandhi Avenue. You could find them sometimes. A Stevie Wonder, ABBA, Bee Gees, Yazoo, Julio Iglesias, Pink Floyd, Jekyll Maxon, videos, music, cards, lipstick, nail polish, chess set, pantyhose, chocolates. I bought 2 tapes, Kim Wilde and Camel. How much? 110 tumens. We're the kids in America. Whoa. You, stop. They were Guardians of the Revolution, the women's branch. This group had been added in 1982 to arrest women who were improperly veiled. Like me, for example. Their job was to put us back on the straight and narrow by explaining the duties of Muslim women. Why are you wearing those punk shoes? What punk shoes? Those. But these are sneakers. Shut up. They're punk. It was obvious that she had no idea what punk was. There was no alternative. I had to lie. I wear these because I play basketball. I'm on my school's team. Oh, sure, I can tell by your height. And you wear this jacket for basketball too? What do I see here? Michael Jackson? That symbol of decadence? No, it's Malcolm X, the leader of black Muslims in America. Don't give me that. It's Michael Jackson. Who? I don't know him. Back then, Michael Jackson was still black. Lower your scarf, you little whore. Aren't you ashamed to wear tight jeans like these? They shrank. Go on, get in the car. We're taking you down to the committee. The committee was the HQ of the Guardians of the Revolution. At the committee, they didn't have to inform my parents. They could detain me for hours or for days. I could be whipped. In short, anything could happen to me. It was time for action. I'm sorry, ma'am. I'll never do it again. Get in the car. Ma'am, my mother's dead. My stepmother is really cruel, and if I don't go home right away, she'll kill me. She'll burn me with the clothes iron. She'll make my father put me in an orphanage. Maybe she believed me, maybe she just pretended to. But miraculously, she let me go. Back home. Margie, what happened? Have you been crying? No, Mom, I'm just tired. I'm going to my room. There was no way I could tell the truth. She never would have let me go out alone again. I got off pretty easy considering. The Guardians of the Revolution didn't find my tapes. We're the kids in America. Whoa. To each his own way of calming down.